Hi darling, this is Sogan, you're most welcome. Today I wanna teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace motif. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see together. Start the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 23 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Please watch my videos online to motivate me to make more videos. Many thanks. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Pull the tail in to tighten and make a slab stitch in front loop of third chain. Chain 1 and make a rotary single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook in front loop of next stitch and pull blue. Turn, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in next stitch and pull blue. Turn and yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in front loop of next stitch and pull blue. Turn, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep going. I crochet 24 rotary single crochets. At the end, make a slab stitch in first stitch. You will see the back loop on the back side. Make a slab stitch in back loop. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in each stitch, in each loop. Make a single crochet. You will see 24 single crochets in this round. At the end, make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Chain 4, yarn over twice to make a triple crochet in same stitch. Chain 8, skip next 2 stitches and make 2 triple crochets in third stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet in same stitch. Chain 8, skip next 2 stitches and make 2 triple crochets in third stitch. This is my 1 and this is my 2. Chain 8, 4 5 6 7 8 and keep going. make 2 triple crochets in third stitch, 1 and 2. Keep repeating. I crochet all around. At the end, chain 8 and make a slip stitch in first chain. I'm going to work around the triple crochet, make 9 single crochets around the triple crochet. Then I'm going to crochet 9 single crochets around the chain 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make 15 single crochets in this space of 8 chains. Okay, make 15 single crochets in this space of 8 chains. If you enjoy my videos, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. Thanks a million. Make 9 single crochets around the second triple crochet. Then make 9 single crochets around the first triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 9. Make 15 single crochets in the space of 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Keep going. At the end, make a slip stitch in first single crochet of 15 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 slip stitches and 4. Make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Chain 6. Okay, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip last 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Chain 6, 4, 5, 6, and make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Chain 6, 4, 5, 6. Skip last 5 stitches. 1 2 sorry 4 and make a single crochet in 5th stitch, chain 6 and make a single crochet in 5th stitch. Skip last 5 stitches and keep going. Chain 6 and make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first space, chain 1 and make 10 single crochets in each space, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Make 10 single crochets in next space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Keep going. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, get the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you found this video helpful or fun, drop a like, leave a comment and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. Talk to you later. I'll be in touch.